Good evening, Sir Edwin. Today I will make a digital greeting card. The first step is you have to open PixArt and then choose a white background. After that, press frame and pick a frame that you like. In this case, I choose this one because my greeting cards theme is a birthday wishes. Add a brushes to make the greeting cards aesthetic. Press and add the text. I'm changing the font color into black so you can see the text because it has a white background. And lastly, add stickers to decorate your greeting card. And this is the final result. Thanks for watching.